Subscribers, today I'm in station Smíchov and I want to show you how it looks like here with the rebuilding. But before I show you anything, check my e-shop tojedešmoje.cz with a lot of things for joy and t-shirts. And also don't forget to visit my new YouTube channel, Master of Kitchen Disaster. It's a funny cooking of a common guy, and you never know if the result will be good or not. Okay, back to business, and I am showing you end of March 2026. As per the construction worker I was talking to, these particular platforms should be completed already after the summer holidays. So late summer, early autumn, early fall, and the first part will be completed. All the trains will go back, and oh, what a monkey. This was my energy drink. So it should be completed by second part of this year, and see you in my next video.